Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone, enable to check for updates. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just open the settings. In the settings you just need to find airplane mode, so just turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So now really you can see this error because you have problems with your network. So just check if you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, and also you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router because sometimes you can't have some internet access. So just turn off here and turn on again. If you use mobile data, just open it, turn off and turn on again. So if you still have this error, so just go to the general. In the general you need to find your shutdown, just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simply restart your phone. So another thing you need to try, just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here reset. Just tap on reset and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So if you still have this error, so another thing you can also try, it's just made hard reset on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here a black screen. So just keep holding power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just wait a few seconds and just release your finger from power button. Now you need to see Apple logo, so it means that you successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.